Next is copy, remove, and copy, move, and remove. So what is a copy, guys? Copy is nothing but a copy the file from one location to another location, right? I copy a file from one location to another location, right? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
Yes.
in the
right?
note, sir, in the note also edit that cat, na? Later it will be confusing.
Sorry. Yeah, copy. So copy is nothing but a to copy the file from one location to another a file or directory, guys. Here, file or directory from one location to another location. So to copy the a file or directory from one location to another location or one location to another location. So what is the syntax, guys? The syntax is nothing but what is the command for copy, guys? Copy command is cp. What is that the command? So the command is cp. Cp is the command. So copy. So file name hari.txt is already there, or hari.txt is already there. You want to copy the you want to copy the file from hari.txt to durga.txt. Okay. So where you are, so for example, you are under the root. So in under the root there is a file called as a hari.txt. So whatever the content is there in the hari.txt, that content will copy to the durga.txt and created a new file. In the copy command, the original file will not be changed. It will not change. The original file will not change. Okay. Or else I want to copy it from one location to another location. Guys, syntax is source to destination. Copy, source, destination. What is that, guys? So copy source to destination hari.txt, copy to durga.txt. Okay. Now we have a hari.txt and durga.txt. Hari.txt having the file same content in the durga.txt. I want to copy this durga.txt to /opt or /tml. I'm copying from here. So again, copy the same file to .txt to in the var temp. You need to create a file called as a class.txt. The same content will be copied from here to here to create a new file. So this file will not be deleted or will not be moved. So the original file will not touch. So we'll create a new file with a copy of the data. Copy of the data. So what is that, guys? The next command. CP we have a options also, guys. What is that? CP we have a options. So what are those options? What is that? Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive. Copy, copy a directory. So if you want to copy a directory, we need a hyphen R. So for copying the file, we don't need a recursive mode. But if you want to copy one directory from one directory to another directory, definitely we need a hyphen R. Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive to copy a directory. What is that, guys? Next, hyphen V. Hyphen V is nothing but a verbose. What is that? So verbose to see the output. What is that? To see the output of hyphen V is nothing but a verbose. Next one is hyphen P. Hyphen P is nothing but a properties. Hyphen P is nothing but a properties. Don't alter the properties. Don't alter the properties. Guys, understood? Verbose is nothing but it will see the something like a 10% is completed, 20% is completed, 40% is completed in the hash format, right? It will show that one. Okay.
Sir,
It will.
verbose means like it will show the percentage how much it will be completed, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Like I will show you this. CP hyphen V. So the recorder takes T to something like so class.txt. It will show the hash, right? Hash. In between, it will show the 10% completed, 20% completed. It is going on, right? Stay. It is going on up to 100%. So if the 100% is completed, so right, the file is copied from here to class term. Guys, understood? This is nothing but a percentage.
Got it.
Verbose, sorry, verbose. Okay, verbose to see the output, or else it will display the right. What are the in the folder? What are the files are there? It will display in the list also. Okay, so then so how you can copy the directory? Copy, for example, documents directory, moving it to where temp. So what we missed here, guys? We missed a hyphen R option. Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive. Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive. RV is nothing but a recursive and a verbose. Okay.
Sir, recursive mode why we will use?
Yeah. So when we copy the when we copy the directories, so recursive mode only to copy a directory.
Okay,
Whereas hyphen R will use only to copy a directory. Understood?
got
Yeah.
it.
So move command. Yeah. Go ahead.
No, no, I'm telling got it, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. So move command. So what is a move command? Move command is MV. MV is the move. So what we can do? So we can use move command and we can rename the file. So what we will do? So we'll rename the file or directory. Okay. Rename the file or directory and move the file or directory. And the third point is what is guys? Hide and unhide. Hide and unhide file or directory. Guys, understood? So by using move, we can use three ways. One is for renaming a file or directory. I want to rename. How you can rename? So in Windows, just right click on the folder, select the rename and rename it. But here, so we need to through commands only, right? What is the command that is? That is the command rename. Rename, move, rename, rename the file or directory and move the file from one location to another location. I want to hide and unhide. I don't want to see the file anyone. How we can do it? I want to hide the file. I don't. So the people doesn't see the directory. I want to hide that directory. How we can unhide, hide and unhide. Okay, hide and unhide. How we can do the hide and how we can do the hiding. I will show you. What is the syntax, guys? Syntax is MV source destination. What is that? Source and destination. Source and destination. to move file or a directory. Okay, mv mv hurry.txt to hurry1.r durga.txt. Okay, it will moving from hurry.txt to durga.txt. The original file in the copy command, the original file will not delete, it will create a new file. But in the move command, so renaming, right? So it will renaming the original file, it will moving the original file, it will hide and unhide the original files. Okay, move hurry.txt to so durga.txt. The original file hurry.txt is renamed as a durga.txt. Okay, this is the I want to move durga.txt to slash temp, right? So it will move from here to temp directory. So what is that? So rename, this is the rename and move the file or directory. We can move the file or directory by using hyphen move. Okay, yeah, move. So what is that? Hurry.txt dot hurry.txt is nothing but a hiding. What is nothing but a hide? So hide is nothing but a move hurry.txt to dot hurry.txt. Here you see guys. In the destination before we need to add the dot. So it will be a hide. The same command with the source before dot, it will be an hiding. Move hurry.txt array.txt. So here, so before the source, you add the dot button. It will be unhiding guys. What is that? Unhide the files and directories. Unhide the file and directory. Guys, understood? Okay, this is nothing but a
Dot means we will
copy.
hide the file.
Sorry.
Dot means we are hiding the file.
Yes, yes. Dot means in the destination before dot is nothing but a hiding. So in the source before dot is nothing but a unhiding. If you want to hide or unhide either file or a directory. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So what is RM? RM is nothing but a remove. Remove a file, right? So we know how to create the file, how to modify the file, how to copy the file, how to rename the file, how to move the file, how to copy the file, how to hide and unhide the files, right? So now I want to delete the file. I want to delete a file or direct. It is used for deleting the file or directory. What is that? This is for using deleting the file or directory. Syntax is rm options file. What are the options, guys? The options are hyphen F is nothing but a force fully, forcefully. Hyphen R is nothing but recursive. What is that, guys? Sorry. Okay. So what is the example, guys? Example is RM just class one directory or the third directory. I want to delete the yeah. So if you use if you are not using the hyphen F4, hyphen F4, it will ask the if we if we don't want to use the hyphen R hyphen F4, it will asking will asking the yes or no. It will asking the yes or no. If you use the rm hyphen rf or f for class 1, it will directly delete without asking. It will directly delete without asking. Okay. Here rm hyphen rf star. What is star, guys? Star means star means everything will delete. Everything will delete it. Something like rm hyphen rf day hyphen star. It will delete the whatever the days, right? Day 1 to day 30. It will delete. Or I want to delete only. So after 10, 10, 11, tell star 10, 11 to 10, 11 to so something like 9, 20. I want to delete only 20, or I want to delete only 30. Okay. So 1 to 30, so 31 to 40 it will delete. Guys, understood? This is nothing but a RM. So if you want to delete multiple directories, you can use RM hyphen RF. So Hari folder, Durga folder, Durga, my three one. Right. Okay. So these folders, I want to delete the multiple folders at a time, you can use. Okay. Guys, now you understood?